What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. Samsung has started rolling out a brand new update for this wonderful application called Registar, which is a plugin inside the GoodLock application. Now if you're new to Samsung or if you're new to GoodLock, let me just brief you what exactly this plugin can do. This adds some additional functionality on your phone. You can press the side key to execute some actions or tap the back of your phone to execute some functions like opening an application, turning on the torch or opening Google Assistant and so on. And using this plugin, we can also reconfigure the settings menu, move the settings options around or hide the setting options on the settings menu. Press the side key action are the best features that we have got on Samsung Galaxy phones through this particular module. Now coming to the update, as you can see, the latest version is 1.0.36. Here it says, add a sensitivity option of back tapping function. This feature was actually very much needed because the back tap function was quite sensitive. Even when you just keep the phone down on a flat surface, back tap gets triggered. So for that, now we have got sensitivity options which we can select, which is fantastic. Now the second point is support a back tapping function on fold devices. Now if you own a fold device, you should be glad to receive this particular function on your phone. Now you'll be able to use back tapping function on your Samsung Galaxy foldables. Now let's go ahead and open GoodLock. Here we have Registar. I'll open this. As you can see, we have got all these options to customize the settings change history, search options. Then we have got this back tap action. This is where we have got this new feature sensitivity options. Let me tap on this. As you can see, we have got a toggle to enable this. Then we have double tap, triple tap and gates. This gates was added in the last update. This enables us to pause the back tap depending on the phone's battery levels or power saving mode. Now, right below this, we have got sensitivity option. As you can see, we have got 3 levels of sensitivity now. We have got high sensitivity, which was already there by default on this application. Then we have got mid and low sensitivity. It says low sensitivity requires giving taps with high force. Now depending on your requirement, you can set the back tap action sensitivity by using this slider. Now if you ask me, I would keep this in the middle. I don't want to back tap the phone too hard, so I will keep it here. Now again, it depends on the case that you're using. If the case is not recognizing the back tap, you will have to set it at high sensitivity. And if you're not using the case at all, you can set low sensitivity. This is the all new option we have got on the Registar module on GoodLock. Let me know what do you think about this feature. I would say it's a welcome change. We definitely needed this sensitivity option and this was expected, and finally we have it here. That's about it. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead, subscribe to the channel to become a part of Apex community to know your phone better. And give this video a like if you find this useful. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.